What's up, guys? It's Parker here with Rapid Atlanta. Here we have a 2020 Ford Explorer in for a full wrap. And when wrapping the roof, you got to remove the roof rails. And on this specific model, the 2020, they changed the way that you actually remove these roof rails. Before, you would just remove the chrome cap and there'd be a couple bolts in there. But now you need to remove the headliner in a couple spots to reveal a 10 millimeter up under here and there, another 10 millimeter here and on the same on the other side, and then two 10 millimeters and a 14 up front on each side. And your 10 millimeter will look like this. And the 14 will look like this. It's pretty difficult to get out. You're gonna need some serious strength or power tools. But we just thought we'd come on here and show you guys how to actually get it off, because we weren't able to find any videos ourselves when we were going to do it. Luckily, the internet's around and we have forums that we can go and look, and we can provide the video for you. Let us know if this helped you out, and let us know if you need a custom vinyl wrap. You can check us out on Instagram at rapatlanta or online at rapatlanta.net. This is wrapped in gloss pearl white with a black offset and black roof to mimic a Range Rover look. But thanks, guys. Just wanted to come on, give you guys a little trick that we learned. Hopefully it can help some of you guys out. Thanks, stay tuned for more videos. Also, guys, just so you know, that when you do drop the headliner, you have access to the actual antenna. So if you are wrapping this, you will be able to get that antenna off as well. Be up under here. And that area there, he's disconnecting the wire now.